Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I am working on one of the orders that I received for the scrunchie dress. If you guys don't know what it is, you can check the link in the description box. This is one of my exclusive content. You can find the video on my coffee shop. I am working on a bigger size, which is an XL. And I thought it would be a very good idea to show you how I make my straps, especially for the people who need support on their bra cups or tops or bralettes, whatever it is that you're making, even a dress like I'm making right now. I am going to attach a strap at the top here and at the top here. It doesn't matter what yarn you're using, whatever yarn that you're using or whatever hook that you're using for your project. Let's get started. So when it comes to knitting, you get something like this, which is a cord, and you can see this is so durable and sturdy, and there's even no chance of breaking or digging into someone's skin. And what most people do for crochet, they make a chain like this. This chain usually is fine for the smaller sizes, but when it comes to the bigger sizes, it kind of digs into the skin because of the weight of the bust of the person. So it kind of cuts into the skin, which is not nice. So in this video, I'm going to show you one way you can make a sturdy string or strap for your bra cup or for your crochet project. So I've made a slip knot here, and I'm going to attach into that point where I want to attach my strap. So I've demonstrated this method before, but maybe some people missed it along the way in some of the videos. So you're going to chain 3, then go back into that same exact space where you attached your yarn and make a double crochet. So the chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and then we have another double crochet here. So it's like we have 2 double crochets at this point. So you're going to chain 3 and go in the middle of the 2 double crochets from the previous row. And then you're going to make a double crochet there. Then you're going to chain 3, go into the 2 double crochets below from the previous row and place a double crochet. And we're going to repeat this until we get the length of the strap that we need. I'm going to go ahead and make a total of 50 segments. So I'll call these segments. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to go ahead and make a total of around 50 or even less. If I feel like it's too long, then I'll make less, but 50 may be too long. Let me make a total of 25 and we see how that looks like. I'll show you what to do next from there. So I ended up doing a total of 30 segments for my strap, and because this is going to go right behind the neck, I didn't feel the need to make it so long. So you can see how this strap looks like. Very beautiful. It adds to the beauty because it has a touch of design to it as compared to just a plain chain, as you can see. And now if you feel like this thickness is enough, that's good. You can just chain and then cut your yarn, but I'm going to go back onto this same exact strap to create a little bit more thickness for the support of my dress. So after this, whatever segments that you make, you are going to chain 3 and then go into that space, into the first segment, and make a single crochet like that, and then chain 3, single crochet into the next segment. So we are single crocheting onto the side that has the double crochet, not into the side that has the chain 3. So the chain 3 side is down here and the side with the double crochet is up here. So you chain 3 and go into the next space, chain 3, go into the next space, and continue to do that all the way across your strap. This is going to create a thicker strap as well as better support, but also it's going to create a different design from what we had before. So let me just lay my work flat and you see, if you can see this is different from what we have here. So pick your design. I don't know what you prefer to have, but I like this because it looked like the strap is worked on and it's just not a plain chain or a very small strap. If you love spaghetti straps, then this is for you. Just make a chain, or make a chain and go back on it with a single crochet. But we are creating a strap that creates very good support for our top or dress or crochet garment. So go all the way down doing that, and I'll meet you back at this point here. Okay, so I'm almost coming back to the break-up, as you can see, and I'm going to place a single crochet in here into the last segment, and then I'm going to chain 3 and make a slip stitch at the base into that space where you attached your yarn when we were beginning the strap. And after this, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to cut your yarn. So at this point we are done with our strap, and when you go to the back you'll have 2 straps, 2 chains or 2 loose ends, the one at the beginning of the strap and the one that you ended with after cutting, and you're going to just tie a knot and cut your yarn. And if you can see, this is a much more better strap, especially for the bigger sizes, than just a simple chain. I know it may take some time for you to make these, but it's all worth it. It's better than having a client return the garment just because of simple things like straps. I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing on this point, and I'll show you the final piece.